Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name's Abdul Karim, and today we'll be talking to you guys about the end of the fiscal year, when tax time is coming up. We're about to do our taxes, and the tax man says to us, or the tax software says to us, hey, did you guys make any charitable donations? And our eyes pop open and we're like, yes, I did. You know what, brothers and sisters in Islam, do not, I'm telling you now, do not claim charitable donations on your taxes. Why? Because it nullifies the goodness. You know, if you're getting some reward back from the goodness that you're giving out, doesn't that surely nullify the goodness? Doesn't that surely counteract the goodness that you're trying to do in the dunya? So I'm urging you guys, I'm urging my brothers and sisters in Islam, do not claim charitable donations on your taxes, because these things are supposed to be an act of goodness towards humanity, an act of goodness towards the entire world. So I'm urging you guys, do not claim it on your taxes, and you know what, better still, be anonymous. You know, it is mentioned that you should be anonymous in your charitable donations. The left hand should not know what the right is doing. You should make a donation and just leave. You know, there was a brother out there, a Muslim brother. He walked into Project Share with these bags filled with food, right? And he pops them on the table. And the woman gets bright-eyed. She's like, wow! And she's like, okay, let me get you a card. Let me get you a thank you card. She reaches down, grabs the card. She comes back and goes, okay, so what's your... Where did he go? He just walked off. Now this, I'm urging you brothers and sisters, this is the attitude we should all take. This is the way that we should do it. You know, just make a donation and leave. Don't tell them your name. Don't let them know who you are. You know, in fact, it's better that you make a donation and not be seen or known at all. Your name should not be known. Why? Because it's just a simple act of goodness. It's just a simple, kind gesture. And I'm urging you, brothers and sisters, come to goodness, remember your Maker, and do charitable donations in anonymity. Do them so that nobody knows you're doing them. Do them in such a good way that is beloved by your Maker. So remember your Maker, remember your Rabbul Alameen, and remember, don't claim charity on your taxes. Come to goodness.